Let's take a look at this interesting shape. The major challenge here is this tapered face which flows along the top and gradually transitions to this side face. There is a fillet here which does not straddle across a full width of the solid. It is possible to get close to this shape with fillets, but I am going to attempt to make use of surfaces. When it comes to solving complex shapes, it is often helpful to simply start with an approximate shape. This can help in the thinking process. Let's start with this basic shape. So I have simply ignored the tapered face for the moment. Let's think about how we can create these edges. I have created a sketch here. Let's use this sketch to create an extruded cut. We need to remove some of these faces. For this side face, we need to delineate the portion to remove. Create a sketch on this face. Draw a straight line between these 2 points. Go to Modify, Split Face. Select this face to split. For a splitting tool, click on the Select box and select the sketch. Activate the Surface tab. Ctrl select these faces to delete. This looks like a good setup for creating a loft from this end to this end. Before that, we need to create a straight edge here. Create a sketch on this face. Draw a straight line between these 2 points. Go to Create, Patch. Select this profile to create a patch surface. To improve the smoothness of the loft in this region, we can create an extra profile here. Create a sketch on any plane. Enable 3D Sketch. Sketch a line from this point to this point. Go to Create, Loft. Remove the Chain Selection option so that we can select edges individually. Select this edge as a first profile. Select the 3D sketch line as a second profile, and this edge as a third. Click on the Select box for rails. Select this chain of edges as the first rail. Select this chain of edges as a second rail. We now have a watertight surface enclosure. Go to Modify, Stitch. Select all surface bodies and stitch them into a single solid body.